Hi, welcome to Smart Barco. After milestone 2 and reading the peer evaluations, we realized that the biggest bug was that when toggling within the tabs, the details and information will be lost. So we decided to change the whole interface and make it into a single page, resembling a board by itself. Yeah, so first things first, we can add in the name. So we can put Sergeant Jack. Then we click on OK. The name will be inputted. Right below that is the BA cylinder pressure chart, which assists the user in calculating the expected time in the incident site. So for instance, if the firefighter has a pressure of 200 bar before entering the scene, he has around 46 minutes of action in the incident site. Right below that, we have the firefighter's flip cards. So now we made it able to input the name, time in, time out, BA reading, and expected time out. So for instance here, we can set Sergeant Aung. Click enter. Next, time in, for instance, he entered at 14:00. Then when we read his cylinder reading and realize that he's 200 bar, and refer to the chart on top, 200 bar is around 46 minutes in the incident site. So we go back to here, and expected timeout would be 14:45. That's for expected timeout. So once he exited the scene after 45 minutes, for instance, he exited at 14:43. Let's just say that. After he exited the scene, we can click on the tick box over here and click on exit. Yeah, this is to indicate that he has already exited the area. And we can do the same for the other flip cards. Now when we go below, under events, we can add in 14:00 first jet setup. So when we click on add, you can see you add to this list over here. We can also add 14:05 first casualty out. You can add, see, you add to the list over here. So for instance, if you want to change something, maybe change this to second, you can always change this by editing the thing. Second casualty out, something like that. Or if you want to delete this whole thing, you can press on delete button and it will be gone, just like that. Yeah, so this is the events feature. So right below we have the Google map. This is for the user to have an aerial view of the area. So you can put NUS School of Computing, then it will bring us to this area. Yeah. Okay, next, right below that map, we have the sketchpad. This is for us to draw out the layout or do any planning if you want. As for the user, draw the layout, do any sectorizing to assist with the deployment of the personnel. Yeah. Then right below there are 4 buttons: the erase, the pen, undo, and reset. So when you press on reset, everything will be resetted and gone. Yeah. Then next, when we click on the refresh button over here, there will be a prompt that comes out which asks whether we want to leave the page or stay on the page. This is to ensure that the user does not accidentally press the refresh button and everything will be gone. So for now, we don't want to leave the page, so we click on stay on the page. This prompt also works when we press on the X button when we want to close the tab. Then it will ask us as well if you want to stay on the page or leave the page. So you can click on stay on page. Yep, so this is the Smart Barco board. Thank you very much.